Yo, what's up, Muli Bunch? Welcome back to yet another reaction. Tinalanga di titi, di mankala kuno ku yese koma, di macho gera ku Botswana, and di bueno. Palibe food. Oh my goodness, I don't have my watch. What time is it? Yeah, hey, time is funny. How are you guys doing? Somebody actually asked me to react to this song a while back, so here we are. You know what I mean? So if you're here for the first time, smash that subscribe button, hit that notification bell too so you don't miss any of the uploads on this channel, and then hit that like button. It is for the algorithm, and a lot of people that watch videos on this channel are not subscribed. So if you're one of those people, what's up with you? You know what I mean? Just hit the subscribe button. Let's get to this song. I hope that was threatening enough. Angie Perera. Perera, that seems like a Spanish name. Am I right or am I right? Changu. That's a beautiful.
Come, they say with no hesitation, jump on the plane, embrace elevation. You fly today to your destination, soon find out it's your medication. Changu, 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 changu. Changu, 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 changu. Changu, 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 changu. Bwerani kunyumba. Changu, 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 changu. Ndikubwera. Takula ndirani. We smile and move our bodies. We feed, we food, we hug. That's how we show love, show love, show. Takula ndirani.
This is like a vlog, but in a music type of form. Beautiful.
We feed, we food, we hug. That's how we show love, show love, show. Takula ndirani. We smile and move our bodies. We feed, we food, we hug. That's how we show love, show love, show. Takula ndirani. We're Akumarawi. We feed, we food, we hug. That's how we show love, show love, show love. Have you heard our sound? It's our reputation, making you smile. It's our obligation, sun as our witness, our inspiration, beaming away on this nation. Changu, 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 changu. Changu, 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 changu. Changu, 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 changu. Bwerani kunyumba. Changu, 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 changu. Ndikubwera. Takula ndirani. We smile and move our bodies. We feed, we food, we hug. That's how we show love, show love, show. Takula ndirani. We're Akumarawi. We feed, we food, we hug. That's how we show love, show love, show. Takula ndirani. We smile and move our bodies. We feed, we food, we hug. That's how we show love, show love, show. Takula ndirani. We're Akumarawi. We feed, we food, we hug. That's how we show love, show love, show love. Changu, 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 changu. Changu, 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 changu. Changu, 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 changu. Bwerani kunyumba. Changu, 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 changu. Ndikubwera. Takula ndirani. We smile and move our bodies. We feed, we food, we hug. That's how we show love, show love.
You know, I was about to say this song sounds like one of those songs that are like for the World Cup or something. I don't know. It feels like one of those songs that are building you up to some event. It's just
Takula ndirani. We're Akumarawi. We feed, we food, we hug. That's how we show love, show love, show. Takula ndirani. We smile and move our bodies. We feed, we food, we hug. That's how we show love, show love, show. Takula ndirani. We're Akumarawi. We feed, we food, we hug. That's how we show love, show love, show love.
yeah, beautiful stuff, man. Yeah, I see why people recommend this. It seems like it's a vlog that is also an advertisement, and also like it just shows the love. I'm thinking this person, maybe they're not from Malawi, but they live in Malawi. They lived in Malawi, and they like want people to know about Malawi, which is like brilliant. Let me know in the comment section what's going on here. What do we have here? That was a beautiful one. Thank you so much for the suggestions, Zukomo Kwambiri, for your support. I'll see you guys on the other side. I have also songs lined up for Teddy McCarty. Somebody said I should check them out, so I am going to be checking them out today. Okay, see you guys on that.